செக் பண்ணு.
Start screen mode.
Where it's going? Live wait இருக்குடா. Good evening. Good evening guys. Am I audible? Am I audible guys? Am I audible? Please reply me. Yes, hello Atharva and Kavya, good evening. And Jayanti, hello. And Raj Singh and Ramya, hi. All of you guys, and good evening. Very good evening to all. Very good evening. Am I audible? Yes, thank you for the good reply guys. So, good evening all. Am I audible? Yes, most of the people answer. Thank you so much. Good evening. So this is Philippadi from Pantech e-learning. I welcome you all for the Pantech e-learning, and also I welcome you all for day 2 computer vision masterclass. I welcome you all. Yeah, thanks for the good reply guys. So most of the people commenting in comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. So what we are going to discuss today, the day 2 class, what we are going to cover. So what is the title today itself in the sense? Read, write and color conversions. So this title is something is new, right? So this title is something is new, but it is a basic things in computer vision. This kind of the things is very necessary. This kind of the things is very necessary in every concepts. Why? Because reading is very necessary for all the process, and writing is not necessary, but if you need, in the sense, you can use that particular things. And what about the color conversion? The color conversion is very important thing and very interesting too. Okay, so what is the today's agendas for this particular day 2 class? Are you guys excited to learn something about this? Are you guys excited to learn something about this? If you're excited means comment me in comment box, yes Philip. Comment me in comment box, yes Philip. If you guys are excited, please comment me in comment box, yes Philip. Yes, most of the people commenting in comment box. Thank you so much for the good reply. Yeah. So if you guys are excited, please comment me in comment box, yes Philip. Yes, I'm so excited to take the classes day 2. So this is the very interesting title. Yes, most of the people answered yes. Yes, so I'm also very excited. Right, so what is the today's agenda? So this particular class, we are going to discuss about the how to load the image. So without loading, there is no concept. We are going to, we are not going to processing on the image without loading. And image writing, how to write the image. And what is the concept of color conversion? So color conversion, in the sense, we are going to change one base into the another base. So this kind of the, topics we are going to cover today itself. Okay, right. So first of all, what is image reading? So image reading, so normally the OpenCV packages allows us to perform the multiple operations on the image. That means if you are if you are going to processing on that particular image, means you have to load the image to the computer or disk. Without loading, we are not going to processing on anything. We can't do anything for that. If you want to do something, for example, contour deduction or morphological operation or edge deduction, in the sense, you have to load the image first of all. How to load the images, in the sense, it is nothing but the input. So that is why I mentioned here, the image reading is very necessary to read the image file as an input. And then only we can perform in the various operations. So what are the operations? So most of the concepts we have to cover in the future classes. What are the concepts? That is, edge reduction and morphological operation, contour deduction, O2SC. So OCR techniques. So this kind of the process we are going to cover in 30 days masterclass, right? So in this concept we are going to cover in this and the basic things we need to know. What is that? How to load the image. So we can load the image with the help of the one particular function. So what does that means? I mentioned here the cv2.imread. cv2.imread. This function is help to loading the image to the particular operation or operation on the image. For example, you want to convert one base color, one base into the another base, or one color into the another color. In this sense, you have to load the image first. This function will help to loading the image. So what is the file name? What is the meaning of file name in this sense? Which kind of the picture we are going to load in this sense? You have to mention that particular file name. That is very necessary. Okay, clear guys? Are you guys clear? Right. So this is image reading. And what about the image writing? So image I am write in the sense it is used for saving the image. That means once you have loaded the image in the sense that particular image you want to save that in the sense you have to use that particular function cv2.imwrite. That is why I mentioned here which location it will be saved in the sense. So you are working in that particular current directory in the sense that particular directory, this file will be saved in the particular directory. For example, I mentioned here. So the image to store the device, this will be saved in the same directory, in the same format. You are specified in the one particular, extension. That means .jpg or .png. In the sense, that particular format will be saved in the current location and current particular directory. So maybe that this will be help to saving the image which you are loaded. So you are using the load the image with the help of the imread, and that particular image will save to the that particular directory in the format of specified format. For example, maybe that jpg or png, whatever it is. You can save with the help of this particular function. So now I am going to write the code for this particular two different function. So before we entering the coding, we need to understand the two different things, two different functions. So this is also sometimes it will be necessary. What is that? cv2.wait keys. What is the purpose of this? What is the purpose of this one in the sense? This OpenCV package allows to the user to display the window for given milliseconds. Maybe that you are mentioning the 5000 in the sense it will be 5 milliseconds. If you are mentioning the 0 in the sense it will be holding this window when you are touching the screen. After that it will be holding the image or holding the windows. And what about the destroy all windows? It will be allows us to destroy all the windows for accessing the scripting. So this is not necessary to mention while you are writing the code, but this function is necessary to holding the windows. Clear? So this is basic things, and one more function will be there. What does that means? .imshow. I will explain once we are going to enter the coding. Okay, now I am going to enter the code. So are you guys excited to write the code with me? Are you guys excited to write the code with me? If yes means please reply me in comment box. Raise your hands in comment box. Raise your hands in comment box. I'm so excited to writing the code with you guys. Okay, right? Who are excited? Please raise your hands in the comment box. I hope you guys are understand what is the purpose of I am read and what is the purpose of I am write. And also what is the purpose of wait keys. Yes, most of the people answer. Thank you so much. It is very interactive and it is very encouraging too. Yeah, Kirti and it is scrolling. I can't read properly. And Aravind, yeah, Jayalakshmi and Veeras and Guru, Jagan Mogan, Yatiru. So most of the people answer and most of the people commented. Thank you so much. Hope you guys are understand what is the purpose of I am read and what is the purpose of I am write. Yes, now I am going to discussing about coding with the help of coding. Are you guys are excited? Yes. So now open ideally. Here I am using the ideally only. Okay. Before we entering the coding, you need to confirm. Okay. First of all, I open the ideally. Ideally is opened. Now you need to confirm one thing. What does that means? Open command prompt. Just a minute. Command prompt. The OpenCV package is installed or not. You need to confirm. Once it is installed in the sense, no problem. It is not installed in the sense, the code will not execute it. The error will come like module error. Okay, clear? So pip install open cv -python. So this is the procedure to installing the OpenCV package. Guys, clear? My screen is visible, right? Yeah. So you people are watching, I hope. Yes. So do coding with me. That is very interesting, right? So this is the way to installing the OpenCV package. So pip install OpenCV Python. Okay, then I enter this. Yeah, requirement already satisfied. Why? Because this will be notified like this in the sense I installed already. So if your guys are not installed in the sense, use this command and install the OpenCV package. If you are not installing in the sense, you are getting error definitely. Okay, clear? Right. So now I am going to create the new file. So I will tell the one procedure to create the new file. So just go to the file and click the new file and write the code here. Already I opened, so that is why I will be open that particular file. Here one thing is very important. My current working directory I had changed already, that is E:. It is not in Python installed location. So most of the code when you are writing, not choosing that particular directory in the sense, it will be directly saving in that Python software installed location. But I changed this particular directory. What does that means? E:. Okay. So this is my current directory. And my file. So this is my file. Okay, this is my file. I am going to write this particular file. Okay, right. So very initially when you are going to enter in the code, you need to, defaultly you need to do one thing. What is that? Import the libraries. Import the library series is very important. What is the library? What is the package here we are using? That is import. What is the package name? Guys, what is the package name? If you know, means command me in command box. What is the package name, guys? What is the package name? So that is CV2. So this is nothing but OpenC. Clear? And so import numpy as np. Okay, right. As np. And I have one question. If you guys have learned pandas packages in the sense, how to load the data set. So that is my question. If you guys have learned pandas in the sense, in pandas, how to load the CSV file, how to load the data set. If you guys are knows, means command me in command box which function we are using to load the data set. Yeah, most of the people answer. Yeah, Niveta and Surya Prakash and Leela. So package name CV2. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you. Thanks for the good replay. It is very interactive. Yeah. In Pandas, how to load the data sets. That is very important, right? How to load the data set. Please answer. Yes. Yeah, most of the people answer. Yeah. So pd.read CSV. Ganesh Reddy answered very well. Thank you. And good. So this is the way we are going to load the image. But here we have a different function. That's it. In the same way we are going to load the image. What is that? So first of all we have to create the one variable. So this is the variable. Okay, then I am CV2, call that particular package, and I am read. Okay, I am read. And one more thing is very important. Which picture, which image you are going to load that in the sense, it is in, it is in current directory in the sense, no problem. You are not going to, mention the path. It is in a different location in the sense you have to mention that particular location, particular directory. Here I have the same directory. For example, I will show that. Yeah, I'm going to entering the particular directory. So I'm using this particular file. What is the file name here? What is the file name? Cute.jpg. Cute.jpg. This is in current working directory. If it is in a different location in the sense you have to mention that particular path. That is very important. Okay, clear? Right. So now I am going to mention the file name. So that is cute.jpg. This is the file name. Okay. So input loading is done right now. Then I want to show this particular picture. How? In the sense CV2 dot, so one more function will be there to show the picture. I am show, and you have to mention the just title of the picture, that is cute girls. Okay, cute girls. And yeah, then mention the variable, input variable. So what is the input variable here? That is img. Okay, right. Now I am going to enter the holding the window, that is wait and keys. Okay, I mentioned here 0, so it will be help to holding the image when you are touching. Okay, right. So now I am going to run this. See, this is the loading image. Are you guys seeing this picture? See this picture? Yes, it is the loaded image. So this is the way to loading the image like this, and this is the way to showing the picture like this. So which function we are using to load the image? I am read. And which function we are going to show the picture? That is I am show. Clear guys? Are you guys clear? Yes. So next I am going to saving the image. How? In the sense with the help of cv2 dot I am write. Okay, I am write, and mention the file name cute girls dot specified extension, maybe that jpg or png, whatever it is. Okay, it will be saved in the same for example jpg, in the sense jpg. So this is the file format. Which format you want to, in the sense you have to mention here, and mention the input variable. Clear? So this is the way to save the image, and this is the way to loading the image, and this is the way to show the image. Clear guys? Yes. Now I am going to run this. Yes. Where it is saved in the sense, it will be saved in the current working directory. Current working directory. See here, just a minute. See. So this is the picture is saved. Cutegirls.jpg. Clear now? Guys, clear? So with the help of I am right, it will be help to save the current working directory. Right? Current working directory. One person are asking, say my name. That is Spartan Warrior. Spartan Warrior. So attendance link will be posted in the 8:40. Yeah. Yes. Now. Yes. So is that clear? No. So this is the way to loading the image, and this is the way to show the image and saving the image. Next, I'm going to enter one particular topic, that is color conversion. I will show the one of the example for the image loading. You people are using the WhatsApp, right? You people are using the regularly WhatsApp, right? So one more option is there, that is DP change, profile picture change. Okay, that option will be there. How to change in the sense, if you are clicking that, change the picture in the sense, that particular option will give the two options. What is that in the sense? Capture the image or choose from the gallery. Two options there. So that is nothing but loading the image to the particular application. So this is the way it will be working. That is the best example, right? Yeah. Now I'm going to enter color conversion. Before that, I will be, discussing, I will be say the internship. If you are willing to join the internship means, you will be get 30 days learning activity and open CV concept you will be learn, and you will be built and develop with me 7 awesome project. The project is face counting and age gender detection, hand gesture detection, image classification, quantifying image, and barcode and QR code recognition, Citigo solver, this kind of the project. And if you joining the internship means, you will be getting all the materials for everyday classes and recorded videos, this and all. And you will be getting the participation certificate and also internship certificate. How to join that in the sense, use this particular link, it will be mentioned in the command box. Okay, right. So overall this 7 projects and also video content and code, source code, we are charged, normally we are charging 26,000, but we are giving only near 500 rupees. So don't forget to join that. If you are willing, use this particular coupon code. So what is the coupon code in the sense? Open CV. So this is the coupon code for the internship. The registration link commented in command box, mentioned in the command box. So the registration link is mentioned in the command box. If you guys are willing to join this, please do. Okay, right? So now I'm going to enter the color conversion. So what is the purpose of this? Why we are going to do this? So normally the color conversion is very important. It will be help to reducing the noises and speed activity and finding the object detection. This kind of the process will help with the help of the color conversion. Okay, clear? So most of the people, particularly for programmer, they are usually do this. That means the color conversion. Okay. So in this particular color conversion, it will be help to converting the one color into the another color. One color into the another color. That means maybe that BGR into the grayscale and HSV. Okay. So normally 150 methods for the color conversion will be there. But mostly we are using gray conversion and also HSV conversion. This will be help to find, used for object detection specially. So what is our main objective of this particular, computer vision in the sense, especially it is the basic concept for, object detection. When you're finding the object detection, it will be help to the face recognition and, particular things, multicolor detection, this kind of the things. So what is the basic things for the computer vision in this? That is the, object detection. So if you are going to concentrating on the color, converting the color in the sun, that will be more helpful for object detection, and that will be more easy for the object detection process. Okay, so we have the two different methods, that is PGR into Gray and PGR into HSV. What is PGR? Before we entering the coding, we need to understand the color concept. Okay, color concept. Most of the people commanding in command box. Yes, I am read and CVT color. Yes, very good. Thank you guys. Thank you for the good response. And yeah, yes guys. So before we entering the coding for the color conversion, we need to understanding the concept of colors. So this is nothing but the decimal code. Normally, if you are converting the grayscale in this, the computer should understand. So the raw picture, the computer will not understand. It will be converted. It will be converted. Interpreted to the matrix and arrays. Then only the computer will understand. Because we need to converting the binary image. So what is the concept of binary image? If you are converting the binary image in the sun, that time only the computer will understand. Yes, this picture it is having this size, the particular image having. Okay, normally in this red, blue, green, this is the basic color for all the colors. That means you want to yellow, so that will be mixed in red and green. You want to pink in the sun, that is the mixed with red and blue. Clear? So normally all the range, that is R0 and G0 and B0 in the sense, that is nothing but black. I will show the proof, then only you can understand. Open paint. In paint, just a minute. So edit colors. So here is one of the option will be there. My screen is visible, right guys? Yeah. So here RGB, that is red, green and blue. So here all the values 0. So this is a decimal coding for the colors. Okay. So all the values zeros in the sense, what is the color range? This is black. And what about 255 for all? 255, I changed to 255. So 255 and here 255 in the sense, what is the range of the color? That is nothing but white. And if I change in between the green, 0 in the sense, what is the color? That is pink. Okay, then if I change 255 all in the sense, that will be moved to the white. See here, it is white. Color solid will be white. And I changed blue in the sense, what is the color? So it is all, red and green mixed. So that is nothing but yellow. It will be converted like this. Clear? So if the color will be, threshold value 128 in the sense, 128 in the sense, what is the, color solid? It is nearly to gray. See, it will be converted to the gray. So this is the way the color will be converted like this. The computer will understand also like this. This is nothing but a decimal coding for the color. Clear, no? Clear? So if I mention, 255 red. Okay. Then remaining will be zeros in the sense. What is the color? That will be red. Of course it is red. If I change green to 55 in the sense, remaining color will be zeros in the sense, what is that? That will be nothing but green. So this is the way the color is working like this. Clear, no? This is the coloring concept. So this is the decimal coding. Okay. So we have to, convert the image into the binary image. Then only the computer will understand. So the computer can't understanding the raw image. Clear, no? Yes. So now I am going to enter in the coding for the color conversion. So we are going to discussing about the grayscale conversion and also HSV conversion. So what is the purpose of the HSV conversion? So we'll discuss it. Open ideally. Okay, open ideally. I open this and yeah. Now I'm going to clear this and I'm going to write the code for the grayscale. So loading images is completed. So this is the input, right? So this is the input variable. So loading completed with the help of the IM read. After that I am going to convert the color conversion. That means BGR into the gray. Clear? So CV2 dot which function we are using to converting the color in the sense that is CVT, that means convert, and capital C COLOR. So CVT color of, we have to mention in the input variable here, that is image. And one more concept will be there, that is converting the color. CV2 dot COLOR color hyphen then underscore BGR to gray. So this flag will be help to converting the BGR into the gray. So why we are mentioning the BGR in the sense this is blue, this is green, and this is red. So normally the input will be taking as like blue, green, red, not RPG. Okay, blue, green, red. This is the way it will be working like this. Clear? Right now I am going to displace grayscale image. So here I mention gray image. Okay, gray image, and I have to mention the gray variable. Okay, then I will run this. Clear now? So this is the way we are going to convert the color. So now it is converted BGR into gray. BGR into gray. How excited is this? If you guys are excited, please reply me in comment box. Please reply me in comment box. Are you guys are excited? So if you guys are excited means please comment me in comment box. So normally, yes, one person is asking, yes, I am using ideally for writing the code. Yes, I am using the ideally. This is very comfortable for writing the code. So that is why I am using ideally. So if you guys are excited, comment me in comment box. Yes, Philip. Yes, Philip. So did you see the output, right? Thank you. Thank you so much for the good response. And it is more interactive and more encouraging to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, well, super, excited. Thank you so much. Yes, so this is the way to converting the BGR into gray. Clear? Right. So after that, so this will be help to reducing the noises of the image. And the processing, for example, if you are going to, processing on the edge detection in the sense, this is very needed. This is a very initial process. Okay, after that converting the, contour detection in the sense, this is very necessary. And for example, OCR techniques, yes, it is very necessary. Because we have to reduce the noises processing on the image for the particular techniques, particular concepts. So this is the basement for working on the concepts. Great, no? Yes. Thank you so much for your good comments. It will be more booster. Thank you. Right. So now one more type will be there, that is HSV. So HSV means hue saturation value. That will be help to extract the one color channel. For example, you want to extract the green color in the sense, that will be help. See that output, then only you can understand easily. It will be extract the color. And HSV will be help to more for the object tracking. HSV will be help to more for object tracking. And it will be help to the object detection and face recognition, face detection. So this kind of the things. Okay, I will show that. So the only changes is here, that is HSV. HSV, that's it. Okay, then here we need to change HSV image. HSV image. So this is for our reference only. So that is why I mentioned here. This is for our reference. Now here also I have to change for the identification HSV. Okay, right? Now I am going to change the input variable, that is HSV. Now I am going to run this. Okay, run this. See the output. See, it is extracting the color from the image, hue and saturation and value. This will be helpful for object tracking, object detection, face recognition, face detection. That can be possible. This is the basic concept, and this is the basic method for further concept. Maybe that edge detection and morphological operation, contour detection, also thresholding, binary thresholding. This is very necessary. Clear, no? So this is the way to converting the color one into another. So BGR into the gray and BGR into the HSV. Okay, clear? Clear, guys? Yeah. So I will be show the code again. So how to converting the BGR into the HSV in the sense by using this command CVT color, and that this is the input image, then this is the flag for converting the color. Clear, no? Clear? Are you guys are clear? If you guys are clear, means please comment me in comment box yes Philip. Please comment me in comment box yes Philip or clear. So whatever it is. So most of the people comment me in comment box yes clear. Thank you. Thank you, guys. So next, I will be share one thing. Okay, I will be share one thing. I clear all this. Okay, I clear all this. Yes. Yeah. Now the flagging concept will be there. Flag means it is one of the parameter in reading. So that is mode, color mode. So color mode in the sense, for example, color of image and default image or gray color image in the sense we can mention with a number of zeros and ones. So if you mention here, for example, zero in the sense that will be nothing but flag parameter. It will be gray scale, gray mode. So so this is the another way. So im show. So cv2.im show of mode. Just mention mode. Then image. Okay. Then I will run this. See, the picture will be showing in the grayscale mode. And one more thing. If I mention 1 in the sense, it is the default color. What is the default color? That is RPG format. So I will run this. See, it is a color mode. It is the default mode. Okay, this is also one way to reading the image in gray mode or default mode. Okay, that is nothing but flag concept. Okay, clear, guys? Yes. Now going to enter one more thing. Color splitting and merging. So what is the purpose of the splitting and what is the purpose of the merging? So this particular function will be, for example, cvt dot split off. This will be help to split the channel, color channel. That means channel means we have 3 channels. So one channel, it is nearly 8-bit. So normally 3 channels. So normally that one particular image is nearly 24-bit. That means one channel having the 8-bit. So remaining thing also 8-bit, it is equal to the 24-bit. Okay, we are going to splitting the one modes. That means R, P, Ch. So what is the 3 different modes, 3 different channels in the sense? that is RPG. Clear guys? Clear? Yes. Yes. Yeah, attendance link is pinned in the comment box. Attendance link is pinned in the comment box. So fill the Google form. Yes. So now color split and merge concept. So this function will be help to multi-channel into the separate channel. That means we have in every image having 3 channels, that is RPG. It will be converting into the one separate channel. And what about the merge? So CV2.merge will help to single channel into the multi-channel. Maybe that if I split one color, that means one channel R in the sense, and another channel G in the sense, and another channel blue in the sense, it will be combined in the sense that will be colored image. We'll show the example, then only you can understand easy. Okay, right. Hope and ideally I clear all this, and yeah, clear. Yes. Now I'm going to create, so or this is the variable or PG. Okay, then it's equal to CV2. What is the function for splitting the channel? That is CV2 dot split of. So we have to mention the input image. Okay, input image or loaded image. Then I want to show that every channel. For example, CV2 dot ImShow. So what is the function for showing the image in the sense? Please reply me in comment box guys. ImShow will help to showing the image. So first of all mention red. Okay, so because red channel will show that. Okay, or then CV2 dot, so I will run the code, wait, CV2 dot wait keys of 0. Okay, right, I will run the code. So this is will be help to splitting the image, splitting the channel. This is the red channel. This is the red channel. Red is normally contrast, right? Red is normally contrast, so that is why. So I will show the original image also, then only you can understand. So CV2.ImShow of original, then input img, right? So now I will run this. See, so this is the original image. Most of the red colored combination in the sense it will be dark. Okay, right. If I mention blue or green in the sense, I will show that. So same way, the same way for splitting the every channel, copy and paste here. Paste here. So that is for green. That is for green. So green, and here what we have to mention? What we have to mention, guys? Yes, G. What we have to mention? That is G, right? So next I have to copy this one and paste here for blue. Okay, so here I have to mention this is blue image, blue channel, and here mention B. Okay, now I will run this. Yeah, see the combination, see the differentiation between these and these. See, so this will be little brighter, and this will be little contrast, and this will be much more contrast than two different things. So this is the channel, different channel for blue, for green, for red. Clear, no? So this is the channel. We have to, we can split multi into the single channels. Clear, guys? So this is for blue, this is for red, and finally this is for green. Okay guys, is that clear? No? Is that clear? Right. Now I'm going to merge all three channels. Okay, so this will be related to the gray, right? It will be brighter, it will be contrast, and it will be lighter. Now I'm going to merge all these three different things, right? So just a minute, I command this one. Okay, then I will run this again. I'm going to merge right now. I'm going to merge right now for three channels. So red, blue and green. So this will be give some magic. This will be give some magic. You can see, should wait now. Okay, which command we are using, which function we are using for merging in the sense, just a minute. Yeah. So merge image. Okay, is equal to cv2 dot merge off. So that is very important. Merge off. Okay, merge off or P and G. Right? Right? Is clear? Is clear? Now I am going to show the image for particular merge image. That means cv2 dot im show of, yeah, im show of, right, merged image, merge image, right? Yeah, merge image. Then we have to loaded that particular variable. That means merge this one. Okay, so copy and paste here, copy and paste here. Clear? Yes. Now I am going to run this again. Yes. See the merged channel. So this will be this and this and this merged, and this will be written. So this is the magical thing, right? So all the channel, it is related to the gray, but it will be lighter, brighter and contrast. So that particular three different channels will merged and giving this answer, giving this output. Clear, no? So this will be, so excited, right? So you guys are clear? Are you guys are clear, no? So this is the way we are going to split the channel and merge the channel. So in this three channels merged in this, and this will be the return. This is the final output for the merged things. Right? So super cool, excited. Thank you, thank you. So most of the people answered. Yeah. Yes. So thank you for the good response, guys. Thank you, thank you. Most of the people answered. And you guys are, hope you guys are understand these concepts. Hope you guys are understand these concepts. Yes? Right. So this is the way you can split the, channels. And also you can merge the channel like this. Yes. So yes, one person is, a command little bit confused. Maybe that, but you will be clear in future classes. It will be clear, no problem. It will be clear, no problem. Yeah, this picture is more attractive. That is why I choose it. Thank you so much for the good comments, guys. Right? Yes. Are you guys enjoyed this class? Are you guys enjoyed this class? So you guys are enjoying means raise your hands in comment box. You guys are enjoying in the sense raise your hands in comment box. Yes. Right? So I just stopped today. So what we had seen today itself in the sense how to load the image and how to write, saving the image, loaded image, and converting the color and splitting the channels. This kind of the concept we had seen, right? Yeah. So most of the people, commented in comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the good response, guys. So it will be more encouraging for me also. Yeah, normally weight keys is help to holding the windows. If you mentioning, for example, 5000 in the sense, it will be, stopped till the milliseconds. Clear? Right? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, the recorded video if you need, in the sense you can join the internship. You can join the internship. If you are an internship user, in the sense you can get all the recorded videos, PPTs and all the code, everyday code, right? You can get it. So I just stopped today. So tomorrow we will be discussing about the image smoothing. So tomorrow we will be discussing about the concept of image smoothing. That is also very interesting. You will be seeing the tomorrow class. Okay, right? Clear, guys? So thank you so much. Thank you so much all. Thank you so much. So if possible, you should join the internship. You can get it the recorded videos for everyday classes and also all the materials for everyday classes and PPTs, this and all. And if you are an internship user, in the sense you will be get the participation certificate and also internship certificate. Thank you guys. Thank you. Hope you guys are understand today's concepts, today's class. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good night all. Have a delicious dinner. Bye bye. We'll see you in the tomorrow class. Bye bye. Bye bye all. We'll see you in a tomorrow class. Bye.